This filtered shower head wand is fantastic. The water feels softer, I get cleaner faster, and even my shower stays more clean instead of spotted like before after I squeegee it. By my second shower, I really noticed quite a difference. It's got multiple spray settings, including one that you can clean the shower with. It sprays forward, kind of like a garden hose. Comes with enough filter to last for like a year. It is a little heavier than an average one, but it's really worth it with the features you get with how clean the water is.
Really great pressure. This is my favorite setting. But yeah, it was easy to assemble. I do recommend.